Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all so very much. I do have a couple of announcements. We are getting very close to the 1K mark. Those links are down below. I do need to say, unfortunately, we're not hitting it quite soon enough, so I will have to, hopefully I hit it while we're in Paris or sometime this week, but I am super busy trying to get ready to head off to Paris, so at this point I won't be able to announce the winners until after I get back, which will be September 1st, 2nd, or 3rd, somewhere around there. I mean, I know that from flying, it'll take me a minute from flying overnight, and I don't know, I think it's like 12 to 14 hours or something. I know that it'll take me a little while to recuperate. I am super thankful that I have a backlog of videos to get me through this next week or so, and while I'm trying to get things going, but I will announce the winners, as long as we hit 1K. I mean, I hope that we hit 1K, but I will announce the winners once I get back. I will sit down and record a video and do that. I will be taking the time to do another live before I leave next Tuesday. I have a collab that I'm going to be doing with Karen Ann MUA. We're doing a collab on the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. I just received mine, and she's gonna pick my colors, I'm gonna pick her colors, and then we're going to do a makeup look with it. So I will be doing that during a live next Tuesday. I do have a closet tour video. I'm just kind of waiting to put it up because, like I said, I do have a backlog of videos, and you know, you guys keep your eyes out for when I vlog in Paris. So today I have for you, the Curiosity box, and this is number 12. So I'm assuming they're fairly new, since, well, I guess this wouldn't be fairly new because they are a seasonal subscription box, and this is number 12, and you will never believe what I did. I actually wrote the cost. So this box is $57.90 after shipping, and it is a seasonal box, and it is like a geek box. This is for my husband and my son, so unless there's information in the box about this kind of stuff, I probably don't know anything about this stuff, but we'll work it out together. So let's get into it. So I open up the box, and this is what I see. And it does have information on the back, but I don't know how detailed that information is, so we will work with it as we go along. Let's see. And it says you get a magazine, and it says Curiosity Quarterly, and this is number 12. And this, okay, so this is just kind of like a little booklet that has information, just scientific, I guess, information, just stuff that people might be curious about, I suppose. First thing I'm pulling out is this drawing pad, and it says Ink's 3D drawing pad. A radical twist on the everyday drawing pad takes things into another dimension. Using parallel lines and 3D glasses, you'll be able to experiment with a different way to make your drawings hover above the page. So that's kind of cool. It is a pad of paper, and it comes with 3D glasses. And I guess you just draw on this pad. With a normal pencil, and you look at it, and the stuff becomes 3D. So that's kind of cool. I feel like I'm forgetting an announcement. I do. I kind of feel like I'm forgetting to tell you guys something. Oh well. Okay, and the next thing I am pulling out is a pack of cards. My husband actually collects cards. Let's see. Inks playing cards. Shh. This deck of cards is secretly marked, making it great for mentalism tricks and a nefarious advantage during games of chance. Okay, that's interesting. I'm not going to open these. My husband does collect cards, so I will let him open that when he sees fit. The next thing I am pulling out is Math with Bad Drawings. And it's a book. And this is Math with Bad Drawings book. Math, it's everywhere. But sometimes it can be difficult to understand how knowledge of math can impact your daily life. And that's where Ben Orland's fantastic book comes in. It covers numbers, income tax, dice, economics, lotteries, the Electoral College, and more. And shows how understanding the math evolved in both fascinating and shows how understanding the math involved is both fascinating and can bring tangible benefits. Also, despite the title, we think the drawings are pretty great. Okay, so this is not my thing, but maybe this is something that John can definitely get into with possibly Vlad. So that's kind of cool. Maybe he can teach me some things. I don't know. That's kind of neat. All right, the next thing I am pulling out is this. And this is Inks Kuruin. The Kuruin is an incredibly simple looking object that behaves in astonishing ways. Stands upright, and the slightest touch will cause it to tip over and then walk end over end. That's interesting. So that kind of reminds me of a wall walker, except, you know, you threw them at a wall and then they kind of like crawled down the wall. Except this, I guess you just sit on a table and knock it over and then it walks. So that's kind of neat. The next thing I am pulling out is a postcard. And I guess it's just a postcard you can send to anybody that you would like. It doesn't really say, oh no it does, postcard. Let's see. Micah, whatever his last name is, specializes in surreal biological landscapes inspired by his experience observing the natural world, or the painting Order and Origins, and the meditation on the origin of life on Earth. So that's kind of neat. I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but it looks like this is made up of bone, potentially even a jawbone. And I can't really tell what those things are back there. The next thing I am pulling out is Curiosity Stream, Humble Telescope, Metal Earth. Metal Earth Humble Telescope Kit. Construct your very own model of one of the most productive scientific instruments in human history, crafted entirely in glimmering steel. This space-tacular kit is a bonus item from our friends at Curiosity Stream. So that's kind of cool. I'm not going to open it, but you can see that there's like a metal thing in there. So I guess you get to build this. That's kind of neat. And then the next thing is, if you go to the store, got a $5 credit here, or a $5, yeah, official store credit. And then the next thing I am pulling out is a puzzle game of fold and fill. Cami, downloadable Steam game? I have no idea what that is. Let's see. This puzzling Steam game comes to you from the award-winning developer State of Play. Cami features innovative gameplay in which you must carefully fold out colored paper to fill the screen in as few moves as possible. Okay, that's cool. Like I said, this is mainly for my husband and for my son. This box, I keep getting my hair in my mouth. This box replaced the Deadpool box that we were getting, well, that we got one of, and we thought it sucked. So, and then now I'm pulling out a t-shirt. And what is that? It looks like it is the Gemini. So that's cool. It's just a t-shirt, a space t-shirt. And then, what is this? Oh my goodness. And then this is a sand pendulum. That is super neat. I bet that's super relaxing. So this is, okay. So it's Ink's sand pendulum. Pendulums are fascinating and a vital piece of scientific history. Observing their behavior helps us unlock the laws of motion we know today. This special pattern drawing pendulum, called a harmonograph, elegantly traces beautiful, I can't pronounce that word, curves in the sand below. And so I'm not going to take it out of the box, but that's what that looks like. So I think that that is super cool. I don't know, you guys. I'm not even into this kind of stuff, and I think that this is a good box. I don't know. I think my husband will really thoroughly enjoy this box, and I think that my son may even enjoy a few things in this box. So I think that's great. We're at a great unboxing. You know, again, don't forget there is a giveaway down below. Please sign up for it. I will continue to allow people to sign up for it until I'm able to draw the names when I get back from Paris. So please continue to do that. It is all random, so you know, I just want to thank all of you for being here. And, you know, and I do want to mention that I will continue to do giveaways. So if you don't win this time, don't leave me. Stick around. I will, after my last giveaway, some people left. And I don't know, that was a little disappointing that people were just here for the giveaways. And I don't know. I really do appreciate you all, and I appreciate those of you that stick around, and I am really looking forward to vlogging Paris. We have some exciting things planned for Paris. One being a hot air balloon. I'm hoping that that pulls through. We've been in communication with these people back and forth, and we can't seem to like nail down a time for our hot air ballooning. So I'm hoping that that comes soon. I am going to try to get a video together. I don't know if I'm gonna have the time, but I'm going to try to get a video together about what's in my Paris makeup bag. But if not, once I get to Paris, then I'll vlog that for you guys. And that's really all I have for you today. I know that this was kind of longer than my typical video, but I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and have a great day. Bye.